Holly, and next I'm going to talk about the sweep stroke. The sweep stroke is what we use to turn our boats. I've seen people use a backstroke to turn their boat, and it does turn your boat very fast, but it also slows your boat way down and can even stop your boat. I actually call that in my classes your brakes. But to use a sweep stroke, it keeps you in forward motion to turn your boat and you keep your speed. Now, it starts out a lot like the forward stroke, where you wind up, which is twisting at the waist to use your core muscles instead of your shoulder muscles as much. You want to catch the water with your blade at your toes. Reach. My elbow is straight. Catch. And you want to have the blade turned away from your boat, not here beside like this, not like this, like the forward stroke. You want it away from the boat. And you want to make a big arc way out here. Power, pushing your top hand, pulling your bottom hand till you come to the stern, and then pull the paddle back out. That's releasing your paddle from the stroke. And now I'm wound up for the next one, and I'm going to catch, way out, big arc, all the way to my stern. That's the sweep stroke.